Hi viewers, welcome back. In the last video, we studied the treatment of goodwill when the new partners brings full portion of goodwill in cash and the new partner didn't bring goodwill in cash, and third, the new partner brings a portion of goodwill in cash. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss the treatment of goodwill in two cases: when the new partner brings goodwill in kind and when the goodwill is hidden. Sometimes the new partner may bring his share of capital and or premium in the form of some assets instead of bringing cash. That time we will debit assets in place of cash. Okay? In the same example what we discussed in previous video, A and B are partners in a firm and they admit C as a new partner, and C's capital is 3 lakh and his share of premium is rupees 40,000. Okay, if the new partner C brings this capital and premium in cash, the journal entry will be cash account debtor 3,40,000 to C's capital account 3 lakh to premium for goodwill account 40,000. Okay, and this premium for goodwill 40,000 we have to transfer or we have to distribute to the sacrificing partner's capital account. Then we can make a journal entry: premium for goodwill account debtor 40,000 to A's capital account 20,000 to B's capital account 20,000. That we already know in the last video. In some cases, the new partner will not bring his share as cash. Sometimes the new partner contributed asset towards his capital and share of goodwill. That means instead of bringing cash rupees 3 lakh and rupees 40,000, he contributed some asset. So in this case, we are not receiving the cash, right? We are getting some assets, sometimes furniture, fixtures, machinery, stock or something like that. What we will do here, we know if any asset is coming or increasing, we have to debit that asset. Okay, if it is cash, furniture, machinery, plant, anything, that asset, if the asset is increasing or the asset is coming, we have to debit that asset. So here, in place of cash, we can get assets. So if the new partner contributed assets towards his capital and share of goodwill, at that time we have to debit that assets. Okay, if the name of asset is given, we will write the name: furniture, fixtures, machinery, stock, like that. So in place of cash, we have to write assets. So the journal entry is assets account debtor 3,40,000 to C's capital account 3 lakh to premium for goodwill account 40,000. After this journal entry, the next step is as usual. That means this premium for goodwill we need to transfer to the sacrificing partner's capital account. Same journal entry. That is premium for goodwill account at rupees 40,000 to A's capital account 20,000 to B's capital account 20,000. So if the new partner brings assets instead of cash, we can make a journal entry. We can write asset in place of cash. That's all, and rest all are same what we studied earlier. Sometimes the amount of goodwill being brought in by new partner is not clearly mentioned. The question also keeps silent about the method of calculating goodwill. In such case, goodwill is calculated on the basis of profit sharing ratio and capitalization method. In this case, we calculate goodwill by using the following steps. Okay. The first step is find out total capital of the new firm. For finding out the total capital of the new firm, new partner's capital is taken as the basis. Okay. So first step is find out the total capital of the firm. For finding out the total capital of the new firm, we can use the equation new partner's capital into reciprocal of his share. Okay, this is the equation. New partner's capital into reciprocal of his share. For example, assume that the new partner's capital for his 1/5 share is rupees 50,000. Then the total capital of the new firm will be 5 times of new partner's capital. That is, the new partner's capital is rupees 50,000 and his share is 1/5. So, total capital of the new firm equal to new partner's capital into reciprocal of his share. So, the total capital of the new firm is 50,000 into 5 by 1. That is equal to 2,50,000. Okay, this is the way we are calculating the total capital of the new firm. Next step is to ascertain combined or total capital of all partners by using total capital of all partners equal to old partners capital plus new partners capital, or otherwise total asset minus outside liabilities plus new partners capital. Okay, this is the two formula. First one is total of all partners capital and new partners capital, or total asset minus outside liabilities plus new partners capital. Then we can get the combined or total capital of all partners. After that, we can calculate hidden goodwill by using total capital of new firm minus combined capital of partners. Okay, so first we need to calculate the total capital of the new firm and then calculate combined or total capital of all partners. Then deduct combined capital of partners from the total capital of new firm. Okay. After calculating the firm's total hidden goodwill, then we need to find out the new partner's share of goodwill. Okay. Then we need to make a journal entry. The journal entry is same as the case when the new partner didn't bring his share of goodwill. Okay. The journal entry is new partner's capital account debtor to sacrificing partner's capital account. This is the journal entry when the goodwill is hidden in the question. So, these things we can explain with an example. A and B are partners with capitals of rupees 13,000 and rupees 9,000 respectively. They admit C as a partner with 1/5 share in profit of the firm. C brings rupees 8,000 as his capital. Give journal entries to record goodwill. In this question, two partners are there, A and B, and their capitals are given 13,000 and 9,000. They admit a new partner C. His share of profit is 1/5, and the new partner brings rupees 8,000 as capital. In this question, goodwill amount is not mentioned. Goodwill is hidden in this question, but we need to make a journal entry regarding the goodwill. Okay. For finding out the goodwill, hidden goodwill, first we need to calculate the total capital of the new firm. Total capital of the new firm means the new partner's capital into reciprocal. Okay, here new partner's capital is 8,000 and his share is 1/5. So the reciprocal is 5 by 1. So we can multiply 8,000 into 5 by 1. That's equal to 40,000. So 40,000 is the total capital of the new firm. And then second step, find out the combined capital of all partners. Combined capital or total capital of all partners. So here all partners means old partners and new partner. A, B and C's capital. So we can totaled A's capital 13,000 plus B's capital 9,000 plus C's capital 8,000. So total amount is 30,000. So 30,000 is the combined capital of all partners. Next we can find out hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill equal to total capital of the new firm minus combined capital of the all partners. So here 40,000 is the total capital of the new firm and 30,000 is the combined capital of the total partners. So goodwill equal to 40,000 minus 30,000. The amount would be 10,000. Next, find out C's share of goodwill. Here total goodwill equal to 10,000 and C's share equal to 1 by 5. So his share of goodwill equal to 10,000 into 1 by 5. The amount would be 2,000. Okay. Next, we can make journal entries for these transactions. Here, C brings 8,000 as capital, but the goodwill he didn't bring. It is not mentioned in the question. Right, we can make the journal entry. The first journal entry related with the capital. The journal entry is cash account debtor 8,000 to C's capital account 8,000. The narration is being capital brought in by new partner. Okay. Enter. Regarding the goodwill, the new partner didn't bring the goodwill, his share of goodwill. So the journal entry is new partner's capital account debtor to sacrificing partner's capital account or current account. Okay, so we can write here the new partner C. C's current account debtor 2,000 to A's capital account 1,000 to B's capital account 1,000. And the narration is C's share of goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio. C's share of goodwill rupees 2,000 is distributed to sacrificing partners to A and B in their sacrificing ratio. Here sacrificing ratio is 1:1 because in this question A and B are equal partners. Okay, so the sacrificing also we consider it's equally. That's why we credited equal amount 1,000. Is it clear? This is how we are recording the transactions when the goodwill is hidden in the question.